Hey guys, it's Rodiyah here. Today I want to show you how I give myself a DIY facial experience at home. I feel like this has been long overdue. First off, you need to wash your hands. I'm showing you now the items that I'll be using. I need to relax and give myself some self-care, and I want to show you guys how I do it. So this facial is for me to get hydration, glowy skin, clearer and brighter skin. So if you want to see how, you definitely want to keep on watching. Yeah, so let's have a close look at this face. You see those white heads? Yeah, that's my fault on my face. I guess I don't have a flawless face after all. Yeah, I've always been dealing with whiteheads since before I was even a teenager, and I've been able to manage it this well, or I'm trying to manage it. So, those are my problem areas. Yes, those areas. Now I'm gonna clean up my face. There is no makeup, I just wanna clean up with rose water, wiping the entire face. Yes, so you want to clean up the back of your ears, your neck. Now I'm pouring in some hot water and green tea bag. Yes, you can use any green tea, lavender, some drops. Now I'm putting in my face, doing the traditional face steaming. Going in now with my razor, but first I clean my face. I want to do a dry shaving. Yes, so this step is called derma planning, or you just call it face shaving. I've been doing this now for like 3 years and I love it. You can get this done professionally if you don't know how to do it. You want to be sure that you're holding your skin up tight, and this is pretty easy, trust me. It gets out your dead skin and also facial hair, and nope, this doesn't trigger your hair to grow faster. Also smoothing my brow area just to level up, not trimming my brows. However, I'll be tweezing out some facial hair, but I'm just trying to be careful with the brows so I don't cut anything. I don't want to mess up my brows. Yeah. Tweezing some few things off. Yeah, still some facial hair under the brow. Yes, now I'm doing my round 2 of facial steaming. Like, my skin is so tight, I don't want to say stubborn, and I have white heads, like they are there, they are just never ready. But this time I took my time, like I really took my time, and I've been using a toner that has been helping me a lot. I'm going to show you very soon, or at some point in this video. Look at that. And before I was able to get that little thing out, I kept going back and forth with hot water press. If you have the electric steamer, you can do that. I've always been used to this one, like since we were growing up. Again, press. This side is always the difficult part to get out, like extremely difficult. I took out the first round already. Hot water press is basically to help open up your pores for the gunks to come out. In my own case, I have whiteheads. Some people have blackheads. Yes, and you're also likely going to turn red, but it's okay. You'll get some calm and soothing tip very soon. You can also relax. Don't put makeup on your face after this. Yes, we kept going until we got this amount out. Now it's time for me to wash my face. Yes, wash. Prepping the skin for the next stage. For this next phase, kindly bear with me. I had no idea what happened to my camera. It's flipped up. I really don't know. So kindly manage this. I hope this is still going to be clear as it can be. So now that's the miracle toner. Yes, so that's the miracle toner by Some by Me. This toner, woo, I love it. Now using my Elemis veggie mask. I love this mask so much. It helps you with nourishment, hydration. I mean, that's the same thing we want to achieve, right? While giving you some vitamins in your skin. The good thing is that this mask is unisex. When you put this on, you are likely gonna get some tingling going on. Yeah, some people get some tingling. I always get a tingle. Like it tingles you just for some few minutes to 1 minute max. And this stays on for 10 minutes. And this is, just wait for it. Yes, you can see the review of that beautiful bright skin. Now I'm gonna go in with my mists, starting with my antioxidant serum. That dropper method is a very bad idea. I intentionally did it just so I talk about it. Most times when you use a dropper on your face, the dropper touches your face and then goes back into your products. You're contaminating your products. You don't want to keep transferring bacteria from one place to the other. Therefore, it's advisable for you to always drop on your finger and massage it gently into your skin. This serum is a natural serum. Actually, most of the items, or better yet, I'm trying to stick to natural and clean beauty products. So now I'm going in with my eye mask, also staying for 10 minutes. While I was waiting, I'm going to be pampering myself. Like, I think this was my favorite stage of this whole spa experience. You see this roller, guys? I just unboxed it. I think I uploaded the video, some few uploads. Yeah. And usually this step, I would just use ice cubes, wrap it in paper towel and massage it on my face just for it to help me close my pores. Also, you can use a metal spoon to do your massage. So what I do is I pop this in the freezer. Yes, so you can imagine it is cold. So I was really feeling all that massage, and whilst the serum was also being penetrated into the skin. So time is up now. Now massaging the remaining products from the packet on my face. No waste zone. You have to use all that product on your face. Now coming back in with a face roller. Yes, this is for face and body. The smooth side, I'm using it to depuff my under eye. And I really love this so much. It's really nice. Now, time to hydrate with Purely's moisturizer. Yes, this is super lightweight. This is from their Blue Lotus collection, and it's really, really nice. Really nice. I love to massage this completely into my face, and this is not greasy at all. Like, I love it. The residue, I rub it on my hand. Whatever is good for the face is good for the hands, you know. Now some lip treatment. And then we are going to seal up everything with the Power Up spray. Yes, dry up, baby. Now look at that. Yes, I'm all glowy. I'm all hydrated with clearer, brighter skin. Guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and I hope you were able to learn a little thing from here, just maybe 1 or 2 tips. That's okay. And if you really find this one useful, kindly give me a like, leave me a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell to all, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.